yet more things, but this I'm really excited about. You all must know by now I really love KENZO, and they just recently did a collaboration with Vans, so I had to pick up a pair. It's such a beautiful box. Yeah, look at these shoes. Isn't this beautiful? So my little lighting experiment that I did this past week, I also did some lighted shots of myself, and this is an image of what one of those look like, and I did a little bit of coloring to it to kind of zhuzh it up and see what kind of difference this shot makes. Isn't that cool? With a little bit of coloring you could drastically change the look of your photos. I'm planning on going for a semi-serious bike ride. Gonna head over to the Prospect Park and do a couple laps and then head back. Here at Prospect Park, I already did a little bit of loop, but feeling pretty tired. I'm just gonna do a couple more laps here and then head back. It's still a 30-minute ride back home, but this is fun. Nice Saturday, biking out, have some music playing. Yeah, it's chill. As for my little camera while cycling dilemma, this is what I'm doing right now. I have the GoPro in my bottle bag holder that is on a stick, just goes in my bottle bag, and then I could even take it off and put it onto this GoPro mount, which I'm about to do for my next couple laps. But yeah, that's where I've landed now. It's the most user-friendly solution, but that's what I'm doing. Properly beat. I'm gonna be heading back to Brooklyn right now, but I'll catch you back there. It should be about a half hour. Fruits. So I kind of wanted to have a lazy Sunday today. It's really hot outside and I'm still a little bit sore from yesterday's bike ride. So I took out my little bucket of Legos and I wanted to just have fun playing with some Legos today. I used to play with Legos a lot when I was a little kid, and I've been watching a lot of these YouTube videos of these small little puzzle boxes, and I wanted to see if I can make one of those small little puzzle boxes myself. So that's what I'm going to do today, have the AC on and just play around with some of these Legos. So I just wrapped up playing with the Legos today, and I came up with a very simple puzzle box. So I was kind of limited to the pieces that I had, so I had kind of a very basic kid set. So there weren't too many interesting pieces in there, but I did find a couple interesting things to come up with some sort of locking mechanism. But I'll take you a quick tour through the puzzle box that I made. So you basically take a look at it, and there's this tool in the back. Take that out. Now it's not very obvious where to do it, but basically push it. There's a little hole back here, and you just push it in, and you reveal this little piece here, which is another little tool, the face on it. Now the other place where you put this in is in the bottom. So we're gonna just slide this guy into the bottom and push it in, and it should open up, and from there you're able to get the prize, which is in there, and that's it. That's a very simple two-step puzzle. Show you kind of how I did it. So like I said, there weren't too many interesting pieces, so the interesting pieces that I did find were these hinge pieces, so I kind of used that to create this opening and locking of the box. So the locking occurs with this piece here using the other hinge piece. So when this is open like that, it locks the other side in. This piece also locks the box together to keep it from opening up by itself. And yeah, so when you shove this in to the box, it pushes this up and over and into the other side, allowing you to open it up and get the cash. So that's it. That was pretty fun. Like I said, it was simple. I didn't follow any instructions. This literally was just making something up with the pieces that I had. And it was just a fun little brain stimulating Sunday afternoon project.